welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World. And today we got another freebie for you all to check out that I think is worthy of a download. Just trying to get you ready for the weekend. We're over the hump and the week is looking good. All right, you all. This one is called 3+1 watch face. This one is version 2, and this one you're going to get a multi-background with, right? So let's check this watch face out. First of all, in the AOD mode, you're going to get a analog watch face, right? It looks nice, it looks traditional, but once the watch face is on, here's what you're greeted with. First of all, at the top, you're going to get your battery info, of course, your step status info, and your heart rate. Down at the bottom, you're going to get the day of the week and your date. Now, I like this analog clock. It looks nice. It looks premium. The dials are interactive, so if you need to go in and check your step status, you can. Same thing with your heart rate right here. It's not a bad look, not at all. But if I double tap or single tap, I can cycle through the many different colors that this watch face has to offer. Now, considering that the watch face is free, I thought this was definitely a nice look, especially for the weekend and or if you're going on vacation. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.